like me. Ain't cut like these bitches, count up a check in a white tee. Bitch, I'm roll running, I don't give a fuck who beside me. Still the coldest bitch, it don't even matter who bite me.
Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title of this video already, I will be counting my likes and comment for you guys. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you guys will miss upload another video. And also, if you guys are interested in more lock videos, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button as well and turn on your post notification bell, because this channel is mainly about locks, hair, somewhat in between about beauty and business. I'm currently 6 months locked in my lock journey, and I recently did a retwist on my locks with water and oil, and that has been very easy. The most easiest retwist I've ever done in my life since I've had locks. Today I will be showing you guys some close-ups about how my locks look since I'm 6 months locked. I have some locks that's thinning out, but I'm not too sure if that's how it's gonna be for the rest of my lock journey. Many of you guys have been asking me questions about how many locks I have. You know, my locks is beautiful and who retwist my locks and stuff like that, and I would say I retwist my locks my own self. So let's just get right into this video. Oh my god, seriously though, this is one of the locks that look very thin. I don't know if you guys can see, I hope you guys can, but this is one of the locks that's very thin. And there's another one, this one too. Also, this one is thin. You guys can tell right here is very thin. So this retwist was done 2 to 3 days ago. By the time I upload this video, it will probably be like a week now since I've had this retwist. Now what I'm gonna do before we get into this video is go in with my Shine and Jam and style my edges. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys hang time, or the length that my lock are now. It still have some time and some more growing to do. Now that you guys got some up close shots and, you know, can see how my locks is locking within just 6 months. Now we're gonna get into counting my locks. When you're counting your locks, you're gonna want to have some rubber bands or scrunchie just to tie your lock up, unless you can just count it like that. I have me some scrunchies right here, so I'm gonna tie my hair up into 3, and then we're gonna start counting how many locks I have. I'm just gonna go now and part my hair down the middle, tie up one section, then I'm gonna go ahead and part half of one section like so, and tie this up like that. Not too tight where you're like, you know, have tension on your locks. Part the back as well straight and tie one section of the back like that. So you just have one section out like this. So if you guys want to count with me, you guys can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we have 21 locks on this side. (22, 23, 24, 25, 26). So right here I end up miscounting one of the locks and I end up putting the correct amount in the video, so I am so sorry about that. So yeah, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So 46, all in all we have 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So 55 locks so far. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. This retwist is with water and oil, and I really like how this retwist turned out. Alright, so all in all, you guys, sometimes I like to have my hair come in front like this, just to like, I just like how it turned out. But one thing I can say about being black, but if you guys are a real OG and you guys really watch my videos, you guys will see that I came a long way in my lock journey, because when I first started my locks, it was really small and my hair was super short. So now that you guys see that, you know, my lock is growing and I'm 6 months locked into my journey, I have some length, as you guys can tell, and the back is growing. I still have some more shrinking to do before I see more growth, but like I said, everybody in the beginning of the video, everybody hair grew different and everybody locks lock differently. So if you are watching this video and saying, okay, why your hair is not looking like this within just 6 months, our hair is not the same type of texture. So don't just go ahead and think like, you know, your hair is not locking and it's not doing what it's supposed to do. It is doing what it's supposed to do, but your hair takes time, and also everybody's hair is not the same. So that's one thing I noticed in this lock journey. You know, one would. This is just the ending of the video. I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Either from me or any other video. So if you guys are interested